Good morning from Malta! So me and my sister are here for a few days and we arrived late last evening but we're up now heading to the bus stop because today we're going to explore Valletta. We're staying in a seaside town called Valletta and the bus ride to Valletta is about an hour. So yeah, I'll see you when we get there and let's head out there. In Valletta, and unfortunately the weather isn't great. It's raining right now. Hopefully it'll clear up soon. Antonia's a true tourist here. And yeah, we're going to go through the old city gates and head to the old city of Valletta. So yeah. Just been inside St. John's Cathedral. It was very beautiful, but there was a service, so we weren't allowed to film in there. Right now we're heading to the Upper Barca Gardens to see the salute that happens every day at 12 o'clock. But it's raining even more now, unfortunately. But yep, hopefully it'll clear up soon. We are currently at the Upper Barca Gardens at 12 o'clock. Unfortunately, it is Sunday today and they're not doing the saluting. This is very common in a lot of Southern European countries where Sundays are a rest day and a lot of things are closed and don't happen. So that's good to know if you're coming to Valletta. Right now we're heading to get some lunch and it's starting to clear up, so hopefully after lunch it will have stopped raining and we can explore Valletta for real. We have now stopped off for some lunch at a place called Soul Food and I have a vegan Buddha bowl which looks really yummy. So we're going to dig in now, dry up and then get ready to explore more. So finally the weather is cleared up and we are at the CH Bell there. By the sea, as you can see behind me here on the cliffs overlooking Valletta, so it's really beautiful and finally the sun has come out and it's warm, so it's really nice. We're enjoying it a lot. After a lovely day exploring Valletta, we are now heading back to Valletta. Valletta was so beautiful now that the sun came out. We really enjoyed it. Yeah, so we're going to continue the day back in Valletta. After a full day exploring Valletta, we're back in Valletta. It was such a lovely day and we were also very lucky that the sun came out and we got to see how beautiful Valletta is in the sunlight as well. Yeah, so tomorrow we're going to explore more of the island, so I'll see you next time.